Whoops! Shit man, det er glat.
What's up, my...
Oh! Shit man! Fuck, jeg går ondt det der, mand.
Er du okay?
Jeg satte frem med hånden.
Pas på med at gå i det vand.
Take two.
What's up, my boys? We are still boringly healthy, so that's why we decided to do another adventurous road trip today. And today we have 3 destinations.
All of them are in Park Natural das Serras.
And the first place we are is...
Vietnam. The first stop here is called Salinas de Rio Mayor, which is such a unique little phenomenon.
It does remind us a lot about Vietnam because the entire atmosphere and the silence and the smell of raw nature and
tranquility.
Yeah.
And that's just, that goes to show that Portugal continues to give us saudades for other places we've been during our many travels around the world.
One of the things that makes this place very unique is that this town produces salt, even though they are located 30 kilometers away from the ocean.
That's incredible, actually. That is incredible. So the salt is, apparently it comes up from underground and it's 7 times more saltier than ocean water. They harvest it during May and September where it's dry. So we're here at the off season, but that's also good because there's no tourists here, so we get it to ourselves. But this store here has a lot of different salt that we should explore. Because, Amalie, why?
Because, as most of you guys know, we are on the keto diet. And one of the things that you can easily get too little of when you are on the keto diet is the minerals that comes in salt. And here they do pay an effort to make the salt even more exotic because they add different spices and make spiced salt for different purposes. Shopping time.
Você tem bom preço por tudo?
É bom preço. Bom preço.
Compramos muito coisas.
So here they make a liquor with milk, honey, and apparently that is considered to be the first liquor ever made by men.
According to this here, hydromel considered the first alcoholic beverage made by man.
Vikings, among many others, the Greek. So many people drank this.
So my ancestors basically invented alcohol.
I just found one very good reason, not really, to skip our diet. We found the liquor di pastel di nata.
But this is not even the liquor 35?
No, but it's probably the same as from Belém.
Be strong. We just bought this salt here, and this is something we learned actually recently on a restaurant in Lisbon, where you serve a steak and then you have various exotic salts, and then you simply get a new taste or flavor
for every bite.
Yeah. So the place here is well, you saw the drone footage. It's really small. So we've already been around the block, literally, and many of the places are unfortunately closed right now. But it doesn't matter because we can't take advantage of the bar or the restaurant or just all the good stuff. So it's a good way for us to stay sober.
Jon, I know we can't eat at all these restaurants and stuff, but we can eat a very nice place anyway.
What do you have in mind?
I'll show you.
Amalia's idea was, of course, another picnic. This is Restaurant Nature. 3 stars.
This is the breakfast I've been most excited for a long time because we are having cookies.
Cookie.
And they smell like cookies.
They actually do.
Yeah.
We're not allowed to have any carbs, sugar, gluten. It's no-go.
Yeah.
So Amalia is getting so creative that it is MasterChef worthy.
Right.
I have really fallen in love with these random picnics here because
yeah, it's amazing. It's so cozy.
We can pick whatever view we want, and there's no screaming children.
And you have first row every time.
And service is good.
We could try the new salt.
Oh yeah, we are gonna try this salt here. Sal natural com açafrão. Peixe, it's good for peixe, sopas e arroz. It's a super contrast to the mild taste of the asparagus. Let's get to the point. We are at Parque Natural das Serras. It's an hour drive north of Lisbon, and it's a very overlooked natural park. Apparently, no one really goes here. But we wanted to go here today because this place actually has a few things to offer. There are two more places that we're going to visit today. We're going to see dinosaur. We're going to see
Dinosaur.
We're going
Dinosaur footprints.
Original dinosaur footprints that are still maintained, even 65 million years after they were extinguished by a monster meteor. But then the final destination of today is called Fornia.
And Fornia is also an interesting area because it's actually a mountaintop that we are gonna hike. And it used to be the bottom of the sea.
This whole area we are is quite interesting because people have been living here for as long as 2 million years. It's a Paleolithic age. It's the first age of all ages. Paleolithic.
To read that on Wiki?
Yeah, it's Wiki. You can always trust Wikipedia.
Wikipedia is the best thing ever. Anyone in the world can write anything they want about any subject. So you know you are getting the best possible information.
This is a moment where you taste your own...
The moment of truth. Oh, it is kind of cookie, but I think it's quite dry though.
It's very dry, but it's good actually. I like it. But let's go watch some dinosaur footprints.
That's not a dinosaur.
I'm a T-Rex.
Oh my god.
This is a dinosaur footprint. You can see the foot here.
What?
This is so cool.
They can't have been that big, Jon.
That's not a T-Rex.
No.
I'm not sure exactly how this came about because I think 65 million years ago, the whole landscape had to look completely different. If I'm not mistaken,
But they found these after carving out stones, right?
I think so, yes. This is a T-Rex. Look.
But I mean, how come there are so many different prints?
It seems like it was like the waiting line for the finanzas in Lisbon.
Imagine that this is the left foot and this is the right.
Can you do that in slow-mo? What's your T-Rex impersonation, Amalie?
My T-Rex?
Yeah.
This is the back foot. And here's the front, I think.
Jesus Christ.
Marie. This really makes you reflect over nature and the history and the earth.
How insignificant we really are.
Boom, 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 boom.
But this is apparently one of, like, the whole area here is one of the places where you found most debris from dinosaurs. There's another site further up 20 kilometers from here with other footprints from dinosaurs. And there is this dinosaur park as well. Do you remember that?
Oh
not
yeah,
far
they
from
do
here.
have that.
So the whole area of Parque Natural das Serras was a breeding ground for dinosaurs. It's very Jurassic Park here. This was very nice. I enjoyed this. Det er lidt ærgerligt, at vi ikke har mere tid. Jeg kunne faktisk godt have siddet her og nærstuderet dem her.
Ja, men det... Så kan vi ikke nå at filme det sidste. Kom.
Men det er dinosaurer.
Kom nu, jo. So now we are at Fornia, which is the old limestone that we spoke about earlier. And now we are up for a little hike, because when we reach the top we will be spoiled with an epic view. And that's pretty much the reason why we woke up this morning.
It's a fairly long hike, but we need the exercise.
And also I need to put my new watch in use.
Ooh, who gave you that, Amalie?
Well, somebody that I like a latte.
Yeah?
And we just met some cool people who has been hiking all the way over there until here, and now they asked us who wanted to come along with them, because one of the guys here are local, so he knows a lot about the area, so I think we should take that opportunity.
Qual é o seu nome?
O meu nome é Jacinta.
Ok. Meu nome é Jon.
And Amelia.
Amelia.
Yes.
So you're all Portuguese?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not very touristic, and that's what we love about it. Sometimes tourism is good, but when it invades,
Yeah.
it spoils everything.
It's just pollution, right?
Yeah.
Well, we are part of that problem.
Antonio.
Antonio, Jon, are you a geologist or?
No, speleologist.
What's that?
A caving man.
Okay. This view, very impressive. I don't think me and Amalie expected to be greeted with this when we took the car this morning. Portugal really never ceases to amaze us. It's every time we go a new place, we get inspired and dazzled. We're going to a secret place?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No tourists go there.
It's always better with locals.
Yeah, always.
Amelia?
Yeah?
Can you just be extra careful?
Yeah. This type of hike is just like Table Mountains in South Africa.
There we go. Easy peasy.
I can do it.
It's not that bad when you go there. It's fine. You did it.
Check out that rock. Check it out, boys.
Yeah.
This is really cool.
It's so nice. I had no idea that there were so many different hikes to explore here. So I think this is a place we should definitely come back to.
We going this way?
No, we go there.
Jesus Christ. There's some snakes here as well.
No.
You have
snakes.
the red snake and the horseshoe.
Yeah.
I Wikipedia.
We have small snakes, but not
Not dangerous.
not dangerous. They are afraid from you.
But there's no dangerous animal here.
No. We are the dangerous animals.
Yeah, I agree with that. We are at the top finally, and our new friends are leaving now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing us the way.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay,
Nice to
thank
meet
you.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Ciao.
Bye. This turned out to be another adventure day with success.
I love how we have those small surprises. This time the surprise was to meet this local pack.
But I think there's been a lot of surprises today because I didn't expect this place to be so amazing. This is so underrated, and
This is a place where I need to go back.
we have filmed plenty today.
So we are gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the comments. Ate loco.